Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
Florida. Ian Gonzalez's story on America's #1 podcast network, iHeart. Open your free iHeart app and search Chess Piece, the Elian Gonzalez story, and start listening. Hey friends, I'm Jessica Capshaw.
And this is Camilla Luddington.
And we have a new podcast. Call it what it is.
You may know us from Graceland Memorial, but
Did you know we are actually besties in real life?
and as all besties,
at least that went onto the shoulder.
Dashcam.
We'll get a lid when you're up there next, and we can take you home, and I just grab me Chipotle. Yeah. All right. Oh my gosh. Jesus. What the hell, man?
Current loop video is now locked.
You're an idiot. It's a funny movie.
I don't think I've ever watched VIOFO.
Oh, you guys gotta watch it. What is wrong with people today? I had a BMW almost.
Code required. $2 credit terms. Jackpocket.com/TOS/free ticket promo.
You're the type of person who always expects a little more out of life? Then it might be time for a 2024 Kia Telluride X Pro. With its gloss black grille and amber headlights, this SUV is stylish enough to stand out in any setting. With its Pro can take you beyond your expectations. And beyond that, the 2024 Kia Telluride X Pro. Welcome to /Telluride today. Kia.
Whoa. Holy sh**. What is going on? Oh my god. Dude, you're gonna kill somebody.
All in just 30 seconds. All for $100 off. Amazing toys aren't just for kids. Shake your phone and get $100 off when you spend $400.
And don't forget, it's not just Aiden Hutchinson, but they've lost Davenport, they lost Kaminsky, they lost Barnes. They have lost a ton of defensive ends this year. So they basically whatever line do. Mike Neal, the interior defensive lineman, he just got paid. Yeah, he's a very, very good football player. But are they going to be able to put pressure on Sam Darnold? Radio Network. Their corners, Terry on Arnold and Carlton today, so they have a replacement on the most.
We got another 20 minutes in you, or what do you think? We don't want to drink hot fight wine. You guys have everyone?
It's the hardest, supersonic, systematic, too retarded, new Versace, new apartment, big closet, new coffee, hit the party, school of golf, set my goal, you accomplish, shooting target, moving target.
Don't you try anything funny now.
What the?
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.